Pipeline ultrasonic cleaner is a fully self-developed high-efficiency, intelligent ultrasonic cleaning machine for pipelines, which realizes double-cycle traceability through the printer and memory card port integrated in the digital control panel. And each cycle can be processed by the integrated printer. Copy process monitors prevent instrument removal until the cleaning cycle is complete, ensuring consistent cleaning results while increasing operator safety. Efficient and powerful pre-sterilization cleaning of the inner and outer surfaces of intubation instruments for the medical industry. It is a pipeline ultrasonic cleaning machine with simple operation, efficient cleaning, low noise and long service life.